Welcome friends. In our previous tutorials, we have studied how to insert and retrieve data, but it is often useful to update that data. So, in this tutorial, we will learn how to update data in a MySQL database. So, first of all, we will go ahead and see how to update data. Again, there is a very simple SQL statement which is update. Now after update, we will type the name of our table, which is users in this case. After set, we will give the column or the set of columns which we want to update. Let's say username. Then we will give is equal to space and the new value which we want to assign. For example, new user. So if we execute this query right now, it will update all the rows and set username is equal to new user in all the rows in the users table. But we don't want that. So we will use the where clause. As we have studied in the previous tutorial how to use where clause. So we will use it by the ID that it will update the username to new user where ID is equal to 2. So this is our complete query. Update users, set username is equal to new user where the ID is equal to 2. But before executing that, let me show you what's the current table look like. So right click on tables and select rows. As you can see, where ID is equal to 2, username is user1 and password is ABCD. Now let's execute that. And now we go to users and retrieve the data. You can see the user1 is changed to new user. Let's try again. But this time we will change the password. So set password is equal to my pass1 where let's say username is equal to. Now let's execute this. Let's go to our table and as you can see it has updated the user mypass1 where the username is equal to user. If we do it with mypass3 and where user is equal to 3 and we execute the query and we just refresh it, user3 and mypass3. So this is how we can update the data by using the update query, and now you know how to use an update query. Thank you.